Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your standalone contacts application, which is in the Google folder. And from here, tap on these three bars, select settings, and then scroll down. Or actually, it's already visible, so you can just simply select it. The import option and choose your SIM card. This will then show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. As you can see, for me, 3 of them are selected and the rest is unselected and also grayed out. So as you can see, that's kind of a difference. And if I would try to actually select these, as you can see, it tells me that contacts already exist in your list, so I cannot actually select it. Phone is simply stopping me from creating a duplicate contact, which is good. So anyway, from here, select import. This will import the contacts that you have selected to your list. And when we go back, you should be able to find them in your contacts list right now. And that is how you can import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.